Tutorial: CLP Touch Display Cycle Controlled Mode. The tutorial refers to the CLP Touch Operation Manual Chapter 3.11. This tutorial will introduce you to the details of the cycle controlled mode. You will learn how to set the mode, how to access the monitoring details of the mode, how to manage warning and error messages in the cycle controlled mode. What is the cycle controlled mode? In cycle controlled mode, the control expects a certain number of signals from the cycle switch within the lubrication cycle. If the pump receives the expected number of signals within the set cycle time, it considers the lubrication cycle successful. How to set the cycle controlled mode? To change the working mode, press the Set icon. On the next screens, press Set and then change settings. Enter the 4-digit pump pin and confirm with the checkmark icon. Press Change and select Cycle Controlled Mode. Use the arrow keys to set the cycle time. Confirm each digit with the checkmark icon. Confirm the cycle time by pressing the checkmark icon. Set the number of cycles by using the key arrows. Confirm each digit by pressing the checkmark icon. Confirm the number of cycles with the checkmark icon. Confirm all values. How to check the settings? To view the settings, press the Set icon. On the next screens, press Set and then View Settings. Press the checkmark icon to view all setting details. How to view the number of cycle switch signals? The number of received cycle switch signals, CS, is displayed on progress bar. Press the View icon to access the deviation view. The diagram shows the upward or downward deviation from the regular lubrication cycle. How to acknowledge warnings? Eliminate the cause of the warning. Swipe the pause icon to the left to acknowledge the message. How to acknowledge errors? Eliminate the cause of the error. Swipe the home icon to the right to skip the screensaver. Swipe the checkmark icon to the left to acknowledge the message. Read the CLP Touch Operation Manual for more information.